Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's do this question. I first of all read it. Sketch the domain of integration. And so guys, we have an equation here whereby we have limits, that is from 0 to 1, and that one is represented by dx. For limits of 0 to square root of 1 minus x squared, that one is represented by dy. And so therefore guys, we start with the first integral from 0 to 1 with reference to x-axis. So guys, we draw that line, and the first line we are drawing is actually this line guys, this line here, which now we are saying this one is x equals to 0. That is our first line guys. Then we can draw for 1, which is now going to be at this point. This is our point. We draw that limit. We call that upper limit. So that is our upper limit guys. From there guys, and I call that one x equals to 1. That is for the upper limit. Now we come to this. This 0 represents the lower limit along the dy axis, and the lower limit along the dy axis is going to be y equals to 0, and that is this line. The upper limit guys is going to be somewhere along here where we really do not know, but we are going to look to see, to calculate and see, so that we can be able to know where it is. So guys, like having this line here, let's say this is our line guys, and this line of ours is supposed to be somewhere along here, and we call this line y equals to, as we are told here, 1 minus square root of 1 minus x squared. As you can see guys, we have put the value of y there, and we have the value of x, but remember our x is from 0 to 1. And so guys, we try those limits. We say for the limit where we have 0, this one gives us the highest number or the highest value of y, and so therefore this one will give us, the 0 will give us, but before that let's look at this. We have 1, the upper limit. If we put 1 here, we have the lowest value of y. So for us to get the highest value of y, we are going to put x to be 0. And so therefore we say when x is 0, you have 1 minus 0 is 1. The square root of 1 is y is equals to square root of 1, which is 1. And so our highest, our upper limit for y then is supposed to be 1. And so therefore we are going to draw a line along the, that is a line equals to y equals to 1. This is now y equal to 1, which is can also, this is y equals to, we call this one y equals to 1. That is at this point. And for us guys now to be able to establish other values, we'll go back now to 0 and use now this equation. So if I can write this equation here, y equals to square root of 1 minus x squared. So my first value, when this one is x, if I give this one x, let's say here we have x, here we have now y. The first value we have found out is that when you put 0 there, you get y as 1. So guys, we can even draw that point. When x is 0, y is this point, which is the highest point. Then we go to 0.25. When we put 0.25 here, or 0.25, then that one gives us 0.97. So we can come here and say 0.25 gives us 0.97, which is at this point. Coming to the next, which is 0.5, this is 0.5. This one now gives us 0.87. So guys, we have 0.5 gives us 0.87, which is at this point. Probably at this point here, between this point and this is somewhere here. So this is our 0.87. We put a mark there because guys, 0.87 is around this point. Then we come to 0.75. For 0.75, that one gives us 0.66 like that. So 0.75, you go to 0.66, and this is our point. Then from there you go to 0.1. For 0.1, which is now the lowest point, that is at the boundary, this one now gives us 0. So this is our point. So guys, our work is now to join those points. When we join those points, that is our region. And first let us join the points and see. So guys, after joining the points, this is what I have gotten. And so because this was at the highest point, then it means guys, now we are going to shade that area. So this is the area now that represents the domain of our integration. And so guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.